Hello, everyone. Good morning, good evening, wherever you are across the globe. Thank you for joining us for OSCONF 2021 Live. I'm Savita Parekh, System Development Engineer for HPC and AI. I'll be your host for the day. Before we begin, let me express my gratitude for everyone on the call, speaker, organizer, and dear friends across the globe. Thank you all for your support who helped us shaping this event today despite the challenge we're facing during this pandemic. Let me tell you something about OSCONF. Open Source Community Event OSCONF is a platform to connect and bring together leading meetup communities, cloud expertise, DevOps, all under one roof. Few things to take under consideration for this event before we start. As an attendee, you will not be allowed to speak as you will be muted. Any question to be asked should be asked on the YouTube live channel. There are volunteers who will help you addressing your question as respecting the time. We shall take few questions live. Make sure you respect the speakers, fellow members, and maintain code of conduct in your chat session. All the recording will be shared post the event, and I would like to welcome Ajeet. So Ajeet Singh Raina is a Docker captain and Collabnix community leader. He is Docker Bangalore community leader and ARM innovator. He has 13 years of industrial experience working in various domains like IT consultant, QA engineer, solution architect, and now he's a developer relation manager in Redis Lab. He is a developer relation manager working in Redis Lab and runs the largest Docker community in the world with nearly 10,300 plus members. So, with that, a warm welcome to Ajit. Over to you, Ajit.
Hello everybody. Thank you, Savita. Good morning, everyone. I am here super excited today to kickstart our own open source community conference 2021. I would like to thank each one of you who has joined us today for the sixth OSCONF event. Yes, you heard it right. So this is our sixth OSCONF event. This event is happening in collaboration with leading global meetup community all across the globe. First of all, I would like to thank all our speakers who worked really hard and find the free time to submit the CFP. They will be spending time with you today to share their knowledge. Secondly, I would like to thank our partners. Thanks to the official Docker Pune, Docker Bangalore Meetup Group, Octeto, Ecorix, and OpsMax for their continuous support in making this happen. By the way, there are plenty of exciting talks which are going to happen today. We have selected 12 to 13 talks ranging from Docker to Kubernetes to continuous integration and deployment to DevSecOps. We are going to hear from experts, learn from one another, and of course, you are going to see some amazing demos from our speakers. Based on the community ask, this time we are not just streaming this event to YouTube, we will be streaming to Twitter account as well. In case you are attending this event for the first time, let me tell you that OSCONF is powered by the Collabnix community. Collabnix is not a company, but purely an open community of around 5,300 plus DevOps engineers. The community was built with an intention to construct, collaborate, and contribute. That means we are here to help you to contribute to Docker and Kubernetes. And most importantly, we are here to see you succeed. The growth of the community Slack has been so impressive in the last couple of years. We added almost more than 1,000 plus members in last 2 months, which is really overwhelming. If you look at the contribution, this year Collabnix community members contributed to Docker community site that got launched during Docker community all hands. I would like to thank Sangam Biradar, Apurva Bhandari, and Gaurav Gehlot, and the other contributors for their continuous support and contributing handbooks for Docker community site. Lastly, but not the least, I would like to thank our volunteers, Sangam, Apurva, Vinay, Dijesh, Savita, and Gaurav for their contribution in making this event happen. Without any further delay, I would like to thank each one of you, and I would request you to sit back, relax, and hear from the industry experts. Thank you.
Thank you, Ajit. Thank you for the wonderful keynote.